1 Minute English.
In this 1-minute lesson, we are going to have a look at the differences between some and any. We usually use some in a positive sentence and any in a negative sentence. For example, there is some food in the fridge. There isn't any food in the fridge. He has some money. He doesn't have any money. We use some in a question when we know or we think the answer is yes. Any is used when the answer might be yes or no. For example, can I have some ketchup? Do you have any drinks? Give it a go. Try making a sentence and leave it in the comments below.